Hey there, cat. I feel bad my dog's being rude to you. He's down here trying to jump up there and get you, crazy boy. I wish he wasn't like that, because you're not causing any harm. Just stay up there. I'm going to bring him in the house, okay? You stay up there, cat. I'll take him in the house. Come on, Ricky, let's go. This way. Come on, kid. Hey, come on out now. I'll put some food down here. Look. 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 See? There's some food. Come on out. Here you are. Come on. Don't be afraid. Come on. There you go. See? You eat that up. That's good. See? Look. Come on. Here. Go ahead. See? It's okay. Come on. Here. 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 Look. Look. See? There you go. Now we're friends, huh? Now we're friends. Got nothing to be afraid of. Well, no, you do actually. You have to be afraid of Ricky, because he'll kill you. That's why I want you to leave the yard here, because I've got to let him out. And you see, when I let him out, he's going to come out here and try to kill you. And it's very likely you'll tear him to pieces while he tries to kill you. And I can't have that happening. You know what I mean? See? You're a friendly cat, aren't you? Yes, you are. You got to leave my yard, though. You understand? You got to get on out of here. You got to get on out of here. Okay? I know. I know. Okay. Go on now. You got to leave. I'm going to stand up. I want you to be afraid. Come on. Let's go. Follow me. Come on. Follow me. Let's go. Come on.